Hi everyone, are you ready for an adventure? We are going on a colorful journey today. We will meet amazing animals and learn all about colors. Get ready to open your eyes to a world of colors. Let's go! Let's start our colorful adventure by meeting a color that shines as brightly as the sun itself. Can you guess which one it is? That's right, it's red. Red is a color that grabs your attention and makes everything look lively and exciting. When you see red, you might think of warm sunny days or things that are full of energy and fun. Red is the color of a juicy, delicious strawberry, just waiting to be picked and eaten. It's also the color of a big, bold fire truck, racing down the street to help people in need. Fire trucks are always ready for action, and their bright red color helps everyone see them coming. But that's not all. There's another amazing thing that's red: a clever, sly fox with a fluffy, bushy tail. Foxes are known for being quick and smart, and their beautiful red fur helps them blend into the forest as they sneak around. Foxes are so clever they can even outsmart a bunny in a game of hide and seek. Imagine watching a fox and a bunny play together in the woods, darting between the trees and having so much fun. The fox's red fur makes it stand out, but it's still tricky to catch. Now, let's take a deep breath and dive into a color that feels cool and calm. It's time to explore blue. Blue is a peaceful color that reminds us of relaxing days and gentle breezes. It's the color you see when you look up or look out to sea. Blue is the color of the vast, endless ocean, stretching as far as you can see. The ocean is home to so many amazing creatures, and its blue waves sparkle in the sunlight, making you want to jump in and splash around. Blue is also the color of the sky on a bright, sunny day, filled with fluffy white clouds and soaring birds. When you look up, the blue sky makes you feel happy and free, like anything is possible. And can you guess what magnificent creature is blue? It's the giant whale, swimming gracefully through the sea. Whales are gentle giants, gliding through the water with their huge tails and making big splashes as they go. Whales are the largest animals on Earth. Some are even bigger than a school bus. Isn't it amazing to think about these enormous blue creatures swimming together in the deep blue sea? Colors like red and blue make our world a wonderful, exciting place to explore. Next, let's explore a color that shines as brightly as a summer morning. It's yellow. Yellow is a color that makes us feel happy and full of energy, just like the sun warming our faces when we play outside. When you see yellow, you might think of laughter, sunshine, and all things cheerful. Yellow like a rubber ducky floating in a bubbly bathtub, splashing around and making bath time extra fun. Rubber duckies are always ready for a giggle and a swim. Or yellow like a sweet, delicious banana, perfect for a snack or to share with a friend. Bananas are not only tasty, but their bright yellow color makes them easy to spot in the fruit bowl. And who else is yellow? A tall giraffe with spots that look like little suns. Giraffes are gentle giants, and their yellow and brown patterns help them blend into the golden grass of the savanna. Giraffes have the longest necks of all animals, which lets them reach way up high, almost touching the clouds. With their super long necks, giraffes can munch on the tastiest, freshest leaves at the very top of tall trees. Leaves that no other animal can reach. Isn't that amazing? Now, let's look at a color that's all around us in nature. It's green. Green is the color of growing things, of life, and of adventure in the great outdoors. Green like the soft grass beneath our feet when we run and play outside, or when we lie down to watch the clouds drift by. Green like a crunchy cucumber, cool and refreshing on a hot day. Cucumbers are a healthy snack, and their green color means they're packed with goodness. And what else is green? Can you guess? Maybe it's the leaves in the trees, a hopping frog, or even a playful caterpillar hiding in the garden. Green is everywhere if you look closely. That's right, you spotted a hopping frog near a sparkling pond. Frogs love to live where it's cool and wet, and their bright green color helps them blend in with the leaves and grass. Did you notice how shiny and smooth the frog's skin looks? Sometimes, if you look closely, you might even see a frog's eyes blinking or its legs ready to jump. Frogs are amazing jumpers. They can leap so high. With their strong back legs, frogs can jump many times their own body length. Imagine if you could jump from one end of your room to the other in just one hop. Frogs use their jumping skills to catch tasty bugs and to stay safe from other animals. Wow! We met so many colorful animals today. Each animal has its own special color and pattern. Some are bright and bold, while others are soft and gentle. All these colors make the animal world so exciting and beautiful to explore. Red fox, blue whale, yellow giraffe, and green frog. What a wonderful parade of colors. Each animal's color helps it in a different way. Some use their colors to hide while others use them to stand out. Now it's your turn. Look around you and see if you can spot something red, blue, yellow, or green nearby. Can you find these colors in your home or outside? Maybe you'll see a red apple, a blue book, a yellow flower, or a green plant. Colors are everywhere if you look closely. Try searching in your room, your kitchen, or even in your backyard or at the park. What other colors and animals can you discover? Maybe you'll find a purple butterfly, an orange cat, or a pink bird. There are so many surprises waiting for you in the colorful world around us. Every day is a new adventure. Keep exploring and have fun learning. The more you look, the more you'll find. Ask your friends and family to join you on your color hunt. You can even draw or paint the animals and colors you discover. The world is full of amazing colors and creatures waiting for you. Every place you go, there's something new to see and learn. So keep your eyes open, stay curious, and remember, adventure is just around the corner. Bye for now.